Welcome to Traffic Beast training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to manage static pages of your Done For You website. Click on Manage Site and you will be on Manage Site page. You can manage your About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy and Terms Conditions page content from here. When you click on About tab you can add title and content of About Us page. You can manage Contact Us page content by clicking on Contact tab. You can also manage privacy policy content and term and condition page content by clicking on related tabs. Once you add the content here you can check your added content on your related website. Here we can check our added About Us content on About Us page. We can also check Contact Us page content here on Contact Us page. Let's check the privacy policy page content. You can see it is also added here.